What's up, everybody? This is Chad from Mini Bike Builders Guild. Brian had a little issue with his engine yesterday. He says it's seized up, which is hard to believe. He did just have a spring break in here, but I took everything apart and I had the two pieces of the spring and they went together. It didn't look like there were any pieces missing, but he did have the belt shred on him or something. He must have put a new belt in there. And I'm thinking maybe it locked this up, which locked this, maybe chipped a tooth in there, but we can't tell until we take it apart. So these are just my theories. I think there's a chunk of something stuck in there, probably in the cam gear or whatever, but we're gonna find out. Hopefully it's not so bad. Need to get a cup. I just gotta say, man, save your little containers because they make really good things to keep your parts in. All right, let's see if we can get this sucker up. Well, that's pretty loose belt right there. Holy shit, that might be a problem. It's the 959, but I think he needs a 969. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to check something. This is a magnetic cover here. I wonder if the magnet didn't come off. Nope, it's still there. Look at all the crap. Holy shit. No, magnet's still there and doing its job, man. It pulled a lot of crap out of that engine, and this engine's had oil changes. So let's dump her out. All right, let's see what's wrong. Oh, fuck the gasket. Awesome. Aha. Right in there is a spring retainer. Right there. Now, how in the did you get in there? What the hell's been going on here? Oh, for fuck's sake. Well, this is what happened again. This is the same thing that happened before, but this time it's pretty catastrophic. Man, this ain't good. So here's a retainer. Okay. Seems to be okay. Here's the guide. It might still be okay. But this rocker is like locked. There you go. Well, there is the valve. Broken. And the piston is fucked. So, and we bent the damn push rod. This is a catastrophic engine failure.